Hi everyone, my name is Mohsin and I'm having more than 11 years of experience in networking. And previously I was working in Cisco, in the tech team basically. So I was working in enterprise tech and while working it was going good, but the main problem what I was facing was like whenever some issues were coming where in-depth knowledge was required, somewhere I was feeling that I'm lacking in that. Okay, so like I was able to deliver the work. Okay, I was able to deliver, like resolve the cases as well, but somewhere inside, I was feeling that maybe I'm not justifying that job maybe. So that is what, that is where my realization was, right? And that is how I started exploring the place where I can get that in-depth knowledge and I can fill that gap so that I can, that I can have that satisfaction, right? And I should not be fearing if anything is coming. So I should have that confidence to deal with it. And I was just exploring and somehow I came to know about CCI Hub. And I'll be honest with you, after joining here, I'm feeling so fortunate that I took that decision and I joined CCI Hub. So here, basically, when I just inquired, like they were explaining me about the courses and they were saying that they are delivering CCI enterprise security and all those things, right? So initially, I was just thinking whether should I go with this or not. And then I just asked for a demo and then Losha actually took my demo. And after having that demo, I'm telling you, I was so impressed. And then only like, that feeling came that, yeah, this is what, Mohsen, you were looking for actually. And then I just enrolled it right after that because I just got that confidence on the trainer. I'm gonna give the whole credit to him because he made me feel that, and I just started my enterprise training with him. And oh my God, I mean, I enrolled for CCIE. He knew that I'm already a working professional, but even then, like what he did basically. So I still remember that first session of R, right? And he did not teach, he was just asking me. He was asking me questions, random questions, because I had the working experience. So based on that, he asked me some questions. So initially I was just thinking that, okay, it's like just a session to get familiar with each other or something like that. But it was not. It was actually more than that. So his intention was to understand my need as a working professional, to understand in what area I am lacking so that he can fill that gap and I can, he can actually deliver what I'm expecting from him basically. So and also in our, first interaction, I just told him all that, right? So, and then, after that session, the way he took the training, seriously, I'm telling you, I was just feeling that he literally, customized the program for me, and so later on, the time the training was going on, I was, I started gaining that confidence. I started having those small gaps. For example, let's take an example of OSPF. So I started having the actual foundational knowledge, even to the expert knowledge about that one routing protocol, which is OSPF, and similarly with the other protocols and other technologies as well. So, and then, yeah, exactly. And then there was that one incident I still remember, and it was a very critical incident, and it was about BGP and the knowledge and the concepts which law taught me. I applied that and believe, guess what? I was actually able to resolve that incident in, very less amount of time as compared to the how I was previously dealing with those things. And I was actually confident that what I'm doing, so that confidence I got from here. And later on, obviously I was working in Cisco from quite a long and I was looking for a change. And I started applying because I was confident because the way we took the training and all that, and I was quite regular as well, right? So and I also did from the like my level best basically. Okay, so yeah, I gave an interview in a few companies, and guess what? I got three offers, and right now I accepted offer from HCL, and they gave me 45% hike. I was already on a pretty good offer in pretty good package on Cisco. And even on that package that HCL gave me, that 45% of hike, and I was not even expecting that. I was expecting, okay, if they will give me 30-35%, I will accept that. But even, they gave more than what I expected. You know what I expected? You know why? Because I was, oh my God, I was just literally super confident during the interview, and they literally felt, this is the guy we are looking for. So, and I'll give that credit to Law. Trust me. So now, like, I have joined SCL. It's going pretty well, and I have joined their one of the project where I'm working for. Like, I'm responsible for operations in data, and because there is a scope of expansion in our project, there is a separate team for data center. And my manager told me that, Mohsin, if you will gain a good knowledge in data center, we can promote you and we can put you into that team. And in that team, definitely we'll have more exposure because I'll get opportunity to work on ACI, which is the future. So based on that opportunity and the kind of quality of training I got in CCI Hub, I have enrolled for CCI data center as well here. And my training will start soon. And I'm super excited for that. So basically, the idea of giving this feedback, trust me, guys, this is a very genuine feedback I want to give you. And if you're also looking or something similar, what I was, looking for, or you are also facing similar kind of challenges, I'm telling you, CCI Hub is the place to, go for.